phyllo shells, those crunchy little guys, they have around 15 or 20 calories. Fill them with guilt-free ingredients like low-fat cheeses, veggies. You bake them so good. Some ingredients that I keep on hand to make guilt-free holiday appetizers. Well, my favorite is high-fiber breakfast cereal. I use that instead of breadcrumbs, and then I bake whatever it is I'm making instead of frying it. So you take that cereal, throw it in a blender, turn it into breadcrumbs, season it up with some spices, and then coat whatever it is you'd normally fry, like jalapeno poppers or mushrooms or even onion rings, and then you just bake them. That is a great tip. Also, phyllo shells, those crunchy little guys, they have around 15 or 20 calories. Fill them with guilt-free ingredients like low-fat cheeses, veggies. You bake them so good. Now, if you're at a party, here's what you want to eat, okay? When those hors d'oeuvres are passed around, avoid anything that's fried and avoid the mini quiches and the pigs in a blanket. You want to stick with things that are sort of like clean. So you want shrimp or shrimp cocktail, chicken skewers on a stick with like a light dipping sauce, that's okay. And crudité, cut veggies, always a good option. And if there's salsa around, dip the veggies in salsa instead of the creamy dressing.